countries around the world are increasing the amount of power generated by renewable energy sources. In 2023, global annual renewable capacity additions increased by almost 50% to nearly 510 gigawatts. Solar photovoltaic technologies accounted for 75% of renewable capacity additions worldwide. At the COP28 Climate Change Conference, governments pledged to triple renewables and double their annual rate of energy efficiency improvements by 2030. This would result in global renewable power capacity reaching 11,000 gigawatts. But current policies and market practices mean global renewable energy capacity is only forecasted to reach 7,300 gigawatts by 2028. To avoid falling short of their goals, governments need to address four major challenges. 1. Delayed policy responses to a macroeconomic environment and policy uncertainties. 2. Lack of investment in grid infrastructure, preventing further investment in expanding renewables. 3. Administrative barriers, permitting procedures, and social acceptance problems. 4. Insufficient financing in emerging and developing economies. Addressing those challenges can lead to almost 21% higher growth of renewables, pushing the world towards being on track to meet the global tripling pledge.